Uh-oh. Oh, man. Had to give y'all a look at old girl. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute. But she will be resurrected in due time. Soon enough. Just wait on it. What's going on, you guys? I hope y'all are having another good day. I figured I'd bring y'all another informative video today. Hey, real quick, first thing off the bat, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up because you guys have been killing it and I want to keep killing it, all right? Number two, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Join the family. We got a lot going on. We're doing some cool stuff on the channel, all right? So you don't want to miss out, you guys, okay? So bringing you guys an informative video. As you guys know, if you've been watching the recent videos, we did a oil analysis. We sent off 2 oil samples, one for my engine oil, my previous engine oil, and 2 for the transmission oil that is currently in the transmission, okay? I got the results back on that. Might raise a couple eyebrows, but I think you guys are going to really enjoy it, and it's going to be extremely informative for you guys, okay? But before that, there's a couple things I just wanted to talk to y'all about and let you guys know what's going on and what's up. So, first thing off the bat, I want to thank you guys for all of the feedback you've given me on the last video when I told you guys about the situation with the injectors. I really appreciate it. I was not expecting that much feedback and that much support from the channel. The verdict is in, and you guys, I told y'all yesterday I was at 51%, now I'm at 100%. Okay, we are going to wait and just wait until we get the injectors put in, put everything back together, crank her up, have a nice video, and we're going to do it the right way, okay? I really appreciate the feedback so much. You guys are really awesome, and I'm truly thankful for you guys. I love this stuff, man. You guys drive me to make these videos, man, so thank you. I really appreciate it. So, we got the transmission oil sample in, but there's 2 more things I want to talk to y'all about. Next one, I've already mentioned it before, but I'm going to mention it again. Actually, there's a couple things, really. But anyways, first things first is, if you guys didn't know, we do have a P.O Box for the channel now. It's always going to be in the description down below. If you ever want to send anything out to the channel to support it or just a thank you message, it don't matter what it is, feel free to send it to that address. The reason why I mention it again is because sometimes certain people watch certain videos and not other videos. So you might, if I mention it once, not everybody might find out. So I try to mention things a couple times, not to push it on you guys, but I just want to make sure everybody knows about it, okay? So don't take this in the wrong offense, like I'm trying to force you to mail me. I don't want it to be nothing like that. This is all voluntarily. You know, that I could have that P.O. box for a year. I don't get anything. So what? Who cares, right? That's life. So, all right. So that was my first thing. Second thing is, before I show you guys the oil analysis, I wanted to talk to y'all about was this channel. Making videos and everything we do on this channel, it's awesome. It's fun. I really enjoy it. I want to keep doing it as long as my work allows me to, because right now I'm in a situation where I'm fortunate enough to where I have a lot of downtime with my job, which is usually not normal. You know, I'm not going to go into details, but because I have so much downtime and free time, I'm able to make videos, provide you guys with content and stuff like that. So I like doing this. I want to do this as long as possible, as long as it's in God's plan and God's will, okay? So with that, if you check out my home page on a PC, I don't know if it's going to work on a cell phone or a tablet, but if you check my YouTube page out on a PC computer or Windows or just an internet browser, you'll notice that where the picture is, I put a donation link, and I was real skeptical about mentioning this because I know some people are going to comment or some people might get twisted about it, but you know what? That's just life, you know? But I did put a PayPal donation link on there, okay? What that link is for is exactly what it is. It is a donation towards the channel, okay? Now, you guys know me. I keep it real. I keep it 100%. I don't bullshit y'all, all right? That is not a donation to fund, you know, whatever thing, anything that has nothing to do with this channel. That's not what that's for. That is strictly for the channel, in terms of equipment, upgrades for the truck, whatever I'm presenting you guys on YouTube, that's what it's for. And you might be asking, well, you know, there's a lot of other YouTubers that don't ask for donations and stuff. That is 100% correct and 100% true. There's also a lot of YouTubers that do ask for that type of stuff. They might ask for it in a different way, though, such as like a Patreon account. I know a lot of YouTubers do that, where they get a premium and it's a monthly fee. I'm not trying to do that right now because I'm still, you know, the channel's, I like to think of the channel is in a new births right now, a new birth situation. You know, it's coming alive. It's starting to mature into its own identity, and I want to keep doing that. And you guys are making it happen. But as you guys know, there is another side behind the camera, just like they say. You know what I'm saying? So it does take a lot of time to make the videos, and every job I do, you know what I'm saying? Like, it may look like a 15-20 minute job on camera, but if y'all did the same job, y'all know it takes time. You know, plus filming and stuff, it takes a lot of time and a lot of work. And there's so much stuff I want to do to the channel, and I really want to just bring you guys the best content I can bring out there. You know, from day one, we talked about this channel is for the everyday average person, that they can be able to come to this channel, watch a video, and feel like they can go out to their truck and tackle whatever job they got to do. And I still stick to that word today. That's why if you notice, every video on my channel has been done right there from day one. It's been done in the driveway, because if I can do it, you can do it. We all put our pants on the same way. It just depends on what leg you choose, okay? So, you know, with that being said, you probably will not hear me mention this PayPal donation link again for a very long time, or if that ever again. You know what I'm saying? Let it come, let it be, is how I look at it. And I don't want you guys to think I'm begging you for money. I don't want you to think that I'm going to be pocketing money. None of that stuff. It's not like that. You guys know we have a lot of plans for the channel. I plan on visiting a lot of truck shows and going out all over the country. Well, not all over the country, but predominantly the Southeast. You know, I talked about Daytona. I talked about a couple of UCC events. I'm trying to get out there this summer. We are going to be selling merchandise soon enough. I'm going to be investing into a sticker machine to get a sticker machine made, or I'm going to purchase a sticker machine so that way I can make my own stickers at home. That way we can be able to get the stickers to you guys for a more affordable price. And I'm also looking into a new t-shirt manufacturer company to be able to get t-shirts made for the channel. Because I don't know if you guys, my OG fans, know, but a long time ago, I did have t-shirts on the channel, and it's really expensive, pocketing it up front and stuff like that. So this is just another way to be able to bring you guys better content, you know. And I'm gonna be real with y'all. 95% of you guys are probably gonna be like, I can respect that. I understand there's always that small percentage that's like, dude, fuck you, you know, you're beggar. And no, it is what it is, you know. You can call it like you see it. I don't care. But I just wanted to tell you guys that. So enough with the soapbox, enough with the drama, or not drama, just enough with what I have to offer on the channel. Now let's go into what the video is going to be, an oil analysis of the results for the oil analysis on the transmission. All right, you guys, I'm going to try to be able to, I want to show this to you so that way you'll be able to see what we're working with, okay? So at the top, this is the company I went with, Oil Analyzers. They work with Amsoil, so this is the laboratory company that will test the oil. I think they have 3 different locations throughout the country, so when you get your kit, you can send it to whichever one's closest to you. All right, so we have all of our information up here. I'll obviously color that out. This is the information right here for the transmission, what it takes, capacity, all that stuff. This right here is your basic information saying when the sample was taken, when they received it, when it got completed, and you can see right here the turnaround time from when they get it to when they do it is very quick. It's the next day. I got the results in today when I was at work. Over here we got the filter information, which is unknown because I'm assuming it's the OEM filter, if something like that, because I never took the drain pan down. Over here for the fluid, all I can tell them was it was ATF4. Okay, I don't know what brand, Mopar, I don't know. I'm assuming it's Mopar, but not sure. So I left that stuff not there, which is why if you look here, it says for the filter information requested and the viscosity grade information is requested. If they don't know it, they ain't gonna be. They're gonna ask you what it is. Okay. Now there's a lot of stuff here, so I'm gonna just hit the key points. Okay. So right off the bat, first thing off the bat. Flag data does not indicate an immediate need for maintenance action. That is good. Up here is their scale. Okay, 0 being normal, 4 being critical, red. We're right in the dead set middle at a 2. And I can explain to you why, because they tell me on here. So, what else we had? Oh yeah, so a couple things. Key factors in the transmission oil analysis. Viscosity. It says viscosity is moderately low. Okay, I'll show you in a second where that's coming from. All right, and they tell you the reasons why. So causes include contaminations, incorrectly identified viscosity, grade, or adding a different viscosity. So they can test anything, dude. So if you add like the Lucas stop slip additive or transmission additive to your oil, you got to tell them because they can pick it up in the oil analysis. All right. What else? We got some. The silicone is at a minor level. It says the silicone can be abrasive dirts, alumina, silica, or gasket material. One thing they also mentioned that is really awesome here, it says copper is at a minor level. Possible, now this is the next sentence. Possible clutch pack metal and or possible bushing / thrust plate, thrust bearing metal and or copper may be leaching from your lube cooler. So that means that's coming from the cooler, transmission cooler. It says, please provide the missing lubricant. So the reason why they said that was because of what I just showed y'all earlier. All right. They say there's no immediate need for action. Continue to monitor it and use it. Now, if we come down here, we got a lot of green. Green is what you want. Yellow's not even that bad. Green is what you want. Okay. So right here, what they're checking for, iron is in the good. Copper is normal. The silicon level is normal, which is good. So contaminants, I guess silicon is considered a contaminant. So sodium, potassium, they check that stuff. It sounds like vegetables, right? So you got your contaminants. They're low, if not none. What else we got? Additive metals. There's a bunch of stuff there. And then this is the one that causes my oil to be in the 2 category. Even though the 2 category is abnormal, this is what causes it. And this is why changing your transmission fluid or testing it is still important. So it says here viscosity at 100 degrees Celsius. So in Fahrenheit, that's about 214 degrees Fahrenheit. It says it's a 5.2, which is a yellow, which is abnormal, which means I'm assuming the viscosity is low, meaning we need some fresh fluid in there. If I'm assuming that's what that's telling me. So we need to get fresh fluid in there to get that viscosity bumped up. It says it's moderately low, which is not good. When it comes to your clutch packs, you want clean viscosity. You want clean fluid in there because that's going to allow those clutch packs to be able to engage at its best chance. All right. And this is a 68 RFE transmission. Stock, you guys know I have tuners. I've been running tuners for the longest. People knock the 68 RFE, and I've ran my truck on a hot tune with the Mini Max. I don't run it on a hot tune now. And we got results. So I feel really comfortable knowing that my transmission's doing pretty good. All right. And then over here, we got some Amsoil ATF that's been in my garage for almost a damn year, and I still haven't put it in. Why? Because I've been waiting to buy stuff for the training. But this is also going to be some good stuff. This is actually authorized. I was curious because one of my buddies, Mike, when you asked me that, I actually looked it up on here. This is authorized, so it says the application, you can use it for these specifications. So it says here the Chrysler ATF4. So if your Chrysler transmission takes ATF4, you can run this as it will be safe on there. Okay, so pretty cool knowing that. So you guys, I hope you really enjoyed that. The transmission data information on it was awesome. I love doing stuff like this. Please comment down below. Let me know if you like informative diesel videos like this, understanding your diesel truck. Also, I'm going to have a link down below in the description for this video. If you want to order yourself a kit, an oil analysis kit, they come with prepaid tracking, all that stuff. It's super simple to fill out, super simple to do. There's an optional pump kit where you can get the pump, so that way all you gotta do, it comes with the straw, the pump, and the container, so you can just hook up the pump, and or if you got your own siphon in, you can suck it out yourself. That sounded weird. Anyways, you get what I'm saying. You know what I mean. Don't look at me all crazy like that. So yeah, it was good stuff, and we're still waiting on the engine oil one, which is going to be good because that was Amsoil engine oil that had about 11,500 miles on it. So I'll be really curious to see how that held up in the truck engine. All right, so yeah, that was pretty cool. All right, upcoming videos to expect. All right, usually I don't say this, sometimes I do. So one thing we will be doing soon is we're going to be doing a little TLC to the truck. All right, so what that means is I'm probably going to get her up on jack stands, take the wheels off. I'm going to get a wire brush, a wire wheel. I'm going to scrub down the frame, probably recoat the frame with some undercoat and paint. Although I have zero rust, I just want to do it, because it looks clean, it looks nice. Be on the lookout for our Amsoil front diff change using these awesome juice pouches Amsoil sent us. We're going to be doing that as well. What else? You guys know about the injectors. I'm also, we all know about the injectors. So yeah. So besides the injectors, in terms of the transmission, a lot of you guys ask what is your plans for the transmission. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, until she breaks, that is when I'm going to change her. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's the saying. And I know y'all are jumping to the comments right now being like, man, as soon as you said that, you jinxed it. So we got some wood over here and knocked on that wood, okay? So yeah, it's gonna be cool. But no, seriously though, for the transmission, I do intend on doing, I'm looking at possibly doing a modified or an upgraded valve body. I definitely want to get a deep dish pan on there, getting a heavy duty accumulator plate. And I would like to get the BD Protect plate, because apparently that right there is like a huge, it helps, besides the overdrive packs in it, that really helps it out, because you're able to get that higher line pressure. And higher line pressure on these transmissions is what's needed. They actually need more than what you can do physically on them. They usually say you need about 275 to 300 psi of line pressure, but on my Mini Max I can only go up to 250, which is actually still extremely good, because stock, your line pressure from the factory is about 160 psi, because it's stock tune, stock truck. It's not making as much power or torque. So right now my line pressures right now is at about, I believe it's like 180 or 170 psi. So I honestly believe that has been one of the determining factors that has kept my transmission in the game up to this point. I've towed with it 40,000 miles, mod after mod, power mods, bigger wheels, more. You know what I'm saying? I've done stuff, and she's holding up. All right. So, like always, that was long. That was right now. I'm running out of breath. So, besides that, though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know how you feel about everything mentioned in the video today. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I hope y'all have a good week. I've been following college football recruiting today. Hurricanes got a player from Alabama to flip. Decommit from Alabama, flip to Miami, which is pretty badass. If you don't follow college football, then just skip like 15 seconds forward. But until next time, y'all take it easy. Be safe and peace.